Hello everyone, it's Kelvin Igbinigie here, and today it's my day 22 video challenge, and I want to show you something very quickly. I don't have much time today. So what am I talking about today? I'm talking about the Facebook advert formula. If you're a beginner, don't miss this formula. Alright, so let's go. What's this formula about? This is a very simple formula. I'm going to show you right here and right now. I use it a lot. I also advise some of my private students to use it. Some of my private coaching students to actually use this strategy a whole lot also, because it actually works. Because let me tell you the truth about Facebook advert. One thing you should understand is that until you test, you cannot actually tell if it's going to work or not. You have to be ready to test your advert over and over again, and there's some metrics you have to look at for to also know if your advert is going to win or not. All right, so let me just show you my advert formula. I'll go, Facebook advert has 3 levels. It has a campaign, what we call the campaign level. That's where you choose your marketing objective. And then after the campaign level, there's an ad set level. This is where you choose your audience and your budget and all. And there's the hard level. The hard level is where you actually create the advert itself. That means where you get to create the advert. Alright, so there's a campaign level where you choose your marketing objective. You have the traffic, you have the video views, you have the engagement, you have the conversion and all. Ad set, you choose your target audience, you choose your budget and all. And then you choose the page also you're using. You also choose the page you are using to advertise in the ad set level. The advert level, where you actually put up the content, the write-up, the post, or the post you're actually advertising, has to do the ad. So let me show you how you can actually build a winning advert. You go with your campaign 1. Let's say you already know your objective, you're very sure of the objective you want to go with. Let's say you're going with traffic and or conversion. What you do, I always advise you actually have 2 different ad sets. 2 different ad sets. So 1, 2. You have 2 different ad sets. You can actually have multiple ad sets under one campaign. It's very easy to do in your Facebook advert if you can actually do it yourself. Alright. So under each of these ad sets, I will advise you also have a minimum of 2 different adverts. 2 different adverts. Alright, 2 different adverts. Alright, why? Because I'll call this A, I'll call this B, I'll call this A, I'll call this B, I'll call this B, I'll call this A, I'll call this just leave it 1. Alright, so let's go. Let me give you the whole idea. because now you actually want to find the winning product, the winning advert for your product. So when you have 2 ad sets, what I will advise you do is that you target 2 different audience, 2 different level of audience. Like a programmer friend of mine asked me recently, and he actually has a free, if you're interested also, maybe I'll put the link below so you can join his masterclass. He has a free training for people that want to learn programming, how to build websites with HTML, CSS. If you want to join, actually you can really join. It's a free group. I'm going to put a link below. He asked me actually about how to run his advert for his training, his free training. And guess what? I gave him this formula also. Let me just show it to you. I told him, see, you have 2 different kind of audience. You have an audience that's already interested in programming languages. That means they're already into programming, or maybe they're actually learning about it, or they're actually following some programming schools, maybe W3 schools, those popular programming free training online for programmers. And I told him he can actually target the first set of ads. You go to these people where people who already show interest in programming. That means they're actually, maybe they're working on it or they're trying to learn or something. So I'll go to W3 schools, target the followers of these guys, can target the followers of Andela, can target the followers of people that have interest in some programming languages, let's say PHP and all, HTML and all. If they're actually in the interest, I've not actually tried it myself, so if they're actually there, you can target people who actually show direct interest in what is advertising. So what next? This second ad set, I told him to go for people who don't have direct interest but might be interested in what is actually talking about. That's a programming. So yeah, it has to target business people people that are interested in graphics design, you know, some IT based but not directly programming. Now these are two different audiences. Why? Because you have to test and know which one is actually giving the better result, which one is actually converting more. And when you come down below, you have two different adverts under this. Now this can be a video ad, this can be an image ad. All right, so this can be a video ad, this can be an image ad, this can be a video ad, and this can be an image ad. Now this the message here might be different from the message here, and might also be the same depending on how you want to run it. So you might have the same message here, but the message here has to be different from the message here, because now these are programmers. There's a language you must use for them so they can actually flow and connect, so you can connect with them. But yeah, these are non-programmers. They don't have direct interest in programming, so they most likely don't understand the language of programming. I mean, they don't understand some terms that you use in your programming stuff. So you have to give them another kind of advert content, another kind of hard copy. And the copy for your hardware should be different from this. All right. So what you do is that you let this run for about 24-48 hours, and then check each of these 4 different adverts. Which of them is actually getting you more results? Which of them is getting you more result at a lower cost? And then you can decide to kill one. Let's say this. Let's say I get this for I'm getting this for 1 cent per click. I'm getting this for, let's say, 0.98 cents per click. And let's say I have this for, let's say, 0.004 per click possible, and you have this 0.10 per click. So now you let this run for some time, and then you are having, let's say your traffic you're having here is over, let's say you have during one day, depending on your budget, you have over 500, and here you have over, let's say what? Let's say here you have just 200, and most likely you have spent the same amount of money. Same thing here, let's say you have about 1,000 clicks here, and you have 500. It has to be like around 200 or so, 200 clicks. All right, so you already know which ad is performing better, and then you also have a way of tracking the people that click, if they actually convert at the end of the day. But that's what I'll talk about conversion later on. But for now, you're just looking at the basic metric. So what do I do after 48 hours or so? I kill this ad, and then I kill this ad. What do I do next? I don't just kill it, and I'm begin to increase my budget for this. I increase the budget for this, and I put in more money into this that is working. Then I get no results. So what I'm actually saying that you have to test. Don't just create a single advert. Test. Create like two different adverts and see which of them is actually going to perform better, and then pump more money into it so it can give you more result. All right. So that's what I have for you today. If you have a question, if you're going to apply this, I want to drop a comment below. Tell me how you're going to apply this to your business. Tell me, just ask if you have a question about maybe you have an issue on who to target on these 2 different ad sets. You can actually ask me also in the question below. I'm going to look into your business and actually look at how you can target 2 different kinds of audience in your business. All right. So if you have any question, drop in the comment box below. This is Kelvin here, and I'm so happy you're watching this. And please don't forget to subscribe. All right. Like, comment, share this video. It's fun to do this, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the video, just drop a comment below. Please drop a comment. I want to see your thought about this video. All right, so thank you for watching. It's day 22 already, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.